Hello sir, my name is Janish Dolaria, roll number 32 from C2 batch. For the WDDN's project, my topic of the project is online movie ticket booking system. I called as book my ticket as a project. In this project, there are three types of the user. First one is the normal user, like a customer. Second one is the theater. Third one is the administrator, admin. The customer user perspective, the main functionality is to book the ticket on this site for the particular movie for the particular location of the theater. For the theater user's perspective, the main functionality of the theater user is that theater have to upload their shows detail onto the site so that normal user can book ticket for that shows. Shows means a timetable of the theater, means at which time or which date which show is showing, which show is playing on the theater screen is uploaded as a show into the site. And the administrator's perspective, administrator is the superior of the site. It has all the access of the data. Administrator can add the movies onto the site, edit the movies, delete the movies, and see all types of the data like sold tickets, booked tickets, users details, theaters details. All these details are accessed by the administrator. First of all, I am giving a demo of the site as a normal user perspective. This is the main page, home page of the our book my ticket site. This is the main home page, which shows this is the navigation bar. In this navigation bar, we can redirect to the sign in for the customer. Also, we can redirect to the sign in for the theaters. All the movie list. In this, all the movie list functionality, the movies image, genre, language, and description. All that means some basic details are shown here for all the movies which are on this sites. And about this is about us page for the site. And in the navigation bar, we can redirect to the contact us page. Means in this page, any user or anyone can ask the query to the admin. We are continuing the home page. If any user is not logged in, then it shows as guest user. If a guest user try to book a ticket for the any of the movies shown here, like Shri Padmavat, it is directly redirect to the login page. Let's say let's create a new user for this site. So that we have to create, we have to write here, we have to click here for creating a new customer user for the site. We are writing a first name, Janish, last name, email ID, username I am writing as Janish, password I am writing same as Janish, gender male, mobile number is written here, email ID is written, address is written. I am creating a user for this site, name with Janish and password Janish, so that I am trying to log in with that name Janish and password of Janish. Okay, now for user, I am trying to log in as a user, a name with a username Janish. Yes, success. This shows Janish is login as a user. For the Janish, the main important functionality to book a ticket for a movie. Now Janish is trying to book a ticket for a movie like Padmavat, so that he has to write a name of the movie here and click to buy tickets. And he is redirected to the page which shows the poster of the movie, name of the movie, description of the movie, language of the movie, genre of the movie, cast of the movie, director of the movie, and duration, release date, this type of the information. And for booking this site, it has to Genix has to write a city. For a particular city's theater, user can book a ticket. Like Genix is want to book a ticket for Surat. In Surat city, there are 3 shows in 2 different type of the cinemas, like Inox and Fox Cinema. Okay, if Janice has to book a ticket for the Fox Cinema, then he has Fox Cinema date 23rd 11th November of 23rd, show date is 23rd of 11. Price per seat is 345 rupees. For that, Janice has to write ID of the show ID. Book ticket. Now Janice is redirected to the page in this page Janice has to write seat number for he want to book a ticket. For that, here the description of movies detail are shown here. Shows detail are shown here, like show ID, theater's name, screen number, starting time of the show date, and price per seat. In this site, I have made assumption that all the theater have only 50 seats, and seats number are start from 1 to 50. If a user want to book a seat, then it has to write a number from 1 to 50. If it does not want to book ticket, it has to write 0. Okay. For that, here user want to write a ticket, 2 tickets. Let's say 2 tickets. I am writing as a number 1, 11 or 12, or third I have to write 0 as per the assumption. And there in this site I have made assumption that user has to pay amount of the ticket at theater on the offline mode. There is no online payment mode for this available for site. Now book ticket. For that, seat number is 11, 12. 2 tickets are booked, and show ID is 4 as per here. Okay. Now ticket is confirmed because tickets are successfully booked for the movie called movie Padmavat. Movie language is Hindi. This is the movie's detail. This is the tickets detail. Show ID is 4. Theater name is Fox Cinema. Screen number is 4. Start time is 23rd of 11th, 23rd of November. Price per ticket is 345. Username Janice. Screen number 2. Ticket total ticket book 2. Seat number of 11, 12, 0. Total price, which includes the 14% of GST and 4% of other charges, and the city is Surat. Okay, this is the main functionality of the user, and the user has booked a ticket. If a user want to see his book ticket, he can see it's booked a ticket from here. Navigation bar, there is a navigation chance menu here. Book the tickets of the Janice. Here we have booked information of the recently booked tickets. Total tickets are 2, 11, 12. Total cost, Padmavat movie, Fox Cinemas, city Surat. Okay, and another functionality of the user is implemented here is user can see its profile and edit profile also. Like from the navigation bar, I am going profile of Janice, and here Janice can see the profile of itself, and if you want to update, then you have to click here. Now he can update also, like we want to update mobile number 00. Okay, it is also updated here. Now mobile number is updated now. Okay, if Janish want to write a query to the admin, he can write from this page, contact us page. Now Janish is writing a query to the admin. So from mobile number is given. The query is, can I pay offline? Now from this button, query is send it to the administrator of the site. Okay. And the journey is redirected to the main home page of this site. This is the functionality of the user. If Janish want to buy a movie ticket of the Bajirao, then you have to write a name of the movie name and buy tickets. This page is showing the details of the movie, like a name, duration, all this thing. And this time Janish want to buy from the Ahmedabad, then you write to Ahmedabad, and shows of the Ahmedabad city's theater is shown here. Like he bought from Ahmedabad. You have to write a show ID here, and now it is time to select the seat numbers. Now he selects 3 tickets from 21, 22, sheet number 23, 24. Okay, now ticket is booked here. This is the movie detail. This is all the tickets detail are shown here. All tickets like show ID, theater name, screen number, price per seat, total amount, and city. And from this menu you can see its book ticket also from here also. Like it is shown all the booked ticket of the user. Tickets are shown here. Bajirao Mastani, Ahmedabad 3, screen number 3. Okay, if Janish want to bought a ticket from already booked a ticket, it cannot book a ticket. Like if you want to buy ticket for again this booked a ticket, you cannot do. I am showing that. Like Bajirao Mastani, seat number is 22, 23, 24. Okay. Ahmedabad, and show ID is 2. You want to again buy a ticket from booked a ticket, you cannot do that. He redirected to the index page. He cannot do this transaction. Means any user cannot book a ticket which is already booked. And then here I can see that no ticket are booked here. From user's perspective, you can see all the details here, and you can see all the movie lists. You can see about us page. You can fire a query to admin. You can user can see all booked tickets of it. You can see a profile and update also, and you can user can log out also. This is all the thing from the customer's normal user's perspective. Now I am going to start as a theater's as a admin's perspective, and then I'm going to start as a admin's perspective, and then I'm going to start as a theater's perspective. As a admin's perspective, For starting as a for login as admin, admin has to go to the customer login for customer page and write a username and password for admin. Now admin is logged in, means it is shown here. This shows that admin is logged in. Admin can see all the movie list is a home page. Admin can add the movie. If admin want to add movie, can do. I am doing as a admin. Like admin want to add movie Avenger. Need to write Avenger, a genre, drama, description. This is very nice. Movie. Language English. Release date is like 19th. In duration 230 minutes. Director Formula Kapala. Cast Robert. Poster URL. We are writing poster for that. We are writing the URL of the poster here. Now it shows all the movies on this site, and here we have added Avenger movie. Here it is shown here. Okay. Now we are going to home page to see it is added or not. Yes, it is added, Avenger movie drama. But if we Avenger movie drama, okay, add movie. Admin can edit movie also. If admin want to edit in Avenger movie, like you want to write a name Avenger and game, then he can do that. Admin has updated name is Avenger and game, edited them. It is shown here also. Name is edited, Avenger and game. If admin want to delete movie, then he can delete also. Like you want to delete movie Chalo Jeevi Lahiye, then you can delete that. Delete movie Chalo Jeevi Lahiye. Delete this movie. Delete. This movie is deleted from the here. Now this movie is not shown. In admin can see all the users details also. These are the details of the users which are logged in, which are registered at this site, like name, last name, user's name, password, gender, mobile number, email address. All the details are shown to the admin of the site. Admin can see all the theaters details also. Means registered theaters details are shown to admin also. Like details like theater name, city, password, email, address of the theater, number of theaters are shown to the admin. Admin can see all the bookings. Means now recently we have booked a ticket for the Padmavat and Bajirao, like Fox Cinema and PVR, seat number 11, 12, 22, 23. Means these two are the we have done recently, but admin can see all the booked tickets detail, like total ticket, seat number, total cost, date, movie name, theater name, username, city, screen number, show, users. All the details are available for the admin. Admin can see all the shows of the theater. Means this is the like a timetable of the theater which are uploaded by the which are given by the theater. This is the time source of the movie. This is the source of the movie, which contains detail of the movie name, theater name, city, screen name, screen number, date, start time, price, theater, this type of the details. And admin can see the queries which are committed by the users. Recently we have committed a query as a name Janish. Can I pay offline? This is shown here, and admin can log out also. Now we have remembered that admin has added. This is the guest page of the guest page of the site. Means no one is logged in at that time. Admin has added a movie Avenger Endgame is shown here also. Now I am going to give a demo of the site as a theater's perspective. As a theater want to add the timetable, means shows of the movie to their at the site. And now I'm going to give a demo as a theater's perspective. Theater has a functionality like a theater can also log in and log out also. Means now theater means we are creating a new theater like Red Star. Okay, Red Star. City Mumbai. Password Red Star. I'm copy pasting that password. Just forgotten the. Okay, Red Star. Email address is Gmail. Address Kandivali. Mumbai. Number of screen 11. Now we have successfully registered a Red Star as a theater in our site. Now we are trying to log in as a Red Star. Okay. Star password is this. Now yes, we in this time we have right password. We are logging as a Red Star Cinema, as a Red Star Theater. It shows here, this shows that we are logging as a Red Star Theater. Theater can see home page of the site also. Theater can see all the movie list of the site. Theater can see about us page. Theater can also write a query to the admin also. The main functionality of the theater is theater can add show to the site. Means now theater want to add show for the Avenger game, then this is given here. Movie ID for the Avenger game, for the Red Star Theater, Avenger Endgame. Movie name is Avenger Endgame. Theater name is Red Star. City is Mumbai. Screen number is, now let's say it is shown in screen number 3. The show date is 24th 6:11 a.m. Okay, and 24th 6:11 a.m. for the starting time. Price of the tickets are 340. Now we are creating a show of the Avenger Endgame movie as a theater Red Star located in Mumbai. We are creating show of this movie. Show of the movies are created. Here it can see the theater also can see the sold tickets also. I am showing a show is successfully created. I am showing that show is successfully created. For that I have logged out for this system. as a theater. Now I'm going to book. Recently, we have created a show for the Avenger Endgame. Now we are going to book ticket for Avenger Endgame. First of all, we have to log in. Now I am logging as a user Rajesh. For that I have to write movie name. Now we are going to find our recently added show here for the city Mumbai. We have recently added show for the Red Stars from the Red Star Theater. Show ID is 9 and show timings are 11:30, 24th of 11. Pricing are 340. We are writing to book ticket. Now we are booking 3 tickets, like 1, 2, seat number are 1, 2, 3. Now ticket are successfully booked as for the Rajesh Red Stars Theater show for the show of Avenger. Now we can see profile of Rajesh, book ticket of Rajesh. Yes, this Avenger Endgame ticket are added to the Rajesh booking ticket list. Now we are log out from the Rajesh and we are seeing a functionality of theater for the Red Star Theater. We are logging as a Red Star Theater, and one functionality of the theater are remaining is that theater can see the sold book tickets, and now the Red Star Theater has sold a ticket. One ticket are sold for Red Star Theater, which is recently done by Rajesh, and which is for recently added shows. Now these functionality are over for the theater, and the users functionality are also shown, like login, log out, book a ticket for particular show, and admins functionality are shown also here. Now